All right, so we're going to do a demonstration here of the integration between BoostFloral and MAS Direct point of sale. So right here, you can see how simple it is to set it up in the BoostFloral side. We just need to add the florist ID and the store ID, and then it connects up and you'll see a connected status. From that point, once your website is built and ready to go, here's an example of the website editor, what it looks like in here. And then this is our actual sandbox website that we've built with example products. And so what we're going to do right now is we will purchase a product here and we'll watch it go through the different stages of the order life cycle in both BoostFloral and in MAS Direct. So we'll pick just a zip code here. We'll add this product to the cart and we will purchase this product. All right, and now the order is confirmed. So this order is completed. So now we can go into the orders page within the platform, and we can see that this order that we just placed has been received for that product. That was the what was that? That was the Golden Majesty. We can see the customer information, the delivery information, and then the beginning of the MAS Direct statuses and notes that are in here. So at this time, we can take a look at how this appears in MAS Direct.
All right. Thanks, Josh. Let's change this over to the MAS screen. All right. So on the MAS screen, we have checkout box, which are basically action queues. So where the orders will come in from BoostFloral into MAS will be checkout box number 7, internet orders to be cleaned, also reviewed. So right now, we have some previous orders in there, but this is the current one right here for delivery date on Friday. So this is what it looks like in the checkout box. We simply put the line number in associated with that. And here you see the order in its entirety, sold to the recipient, the card message, and the product information. Also on the notes, we have a confirmation that we sent back to BoostFloral. So on their order screen, it's basically an extra acknowledgement. Once it gets delivered to our checkout box, we send a message back stating that this is the MAS order number. So they have reference to the MAS order number in the BoostFloral system. So after the order is reviewed, it can be released, which then goes to print for design and delivery function. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make that Dallas. So we can release, which it did release. So typically it'll, we try to validate the city state to establish the delivery validation. Okay, so the next process in this order would be assignment to a designer. So we are going to go to designer management menu, and we're going to assign this to a designer. And if they have a scanner, the order has barcodes, so they can scan it. I'm just going to enter the order number. I got out of the order unpaid, so there are warnings. Technically, it is a paid order from the website. This is our sandbox as well, so it's doing its checks and balances. So we basically assign this order to an employee, and what happens is when you go back and review the order, it will send an informational message to BoostFloral that there was has been assigned to a designer on this date and time. The next stage of this order will be package ready, meaning that the order is filled by the designer. Again, they have barcodes, and once the designer finishes, they'll scan the barcode. In this case, we can enter the order number also. And what that does is it marks the order as filled, so it is ready to be delivered essentially. Once again, when we look at the order, everything we have in our notes, we mark the order as filled. It sends another message back to BoostFloral saying that the order has been completed by the designer, basically. The next stage of the order is to go out on delivery. So through our delivery system, just manually create a trip. So we're putting this on a driver trip. And we are going to now check this out on delivery. Okay, so this will send a message back saying that the order has been checked out on delivery. So at that point, we can look at the BoostFloral order screen to see what that looks like.
You can now see that this order is out for delivery. If I hover on the icon here, it'll show me that the MAS Direct order number. If I click in here, we can see the statuses that it's been going through, the confirm status, the update, and then during each of these statuses, this icon here will change to show, when it went into design, there's a different design icon. And as it goes through these statuses, it'll be updated right here to make it very easy to visually see the status of each order.
All right. So the next, I guess the last stage of the order would be the driver trip, completing it. So that's what we're going to do now. So when the driver is out on the road, they have an electronic trip sheet they can use, or in this case, I'm just doing it the original way. So I'm going to mark this order as being delivered. And I'm going to press enter. Again, this is our sandbox. Apologize for that. And if we look at the order number, we marked the orders delivered, and then we sent a delivery confirmation to BoostFloral. So, and what that will look like.
As you can see, that is instantaneous. So as soon as it's updated in MAS Direct, it's reflected. That change is reflected in BoostFloral, and that order has been marked as delivered, and all tracking and statuses are updated and reflected here. So it makes it very simple to be able to bounce between the two systems. There's bidirectional communication between them, so MAS can update BoostFloral and BoostFloral can update MAS, and makes it a very seamlessly integrated solution for florists. So just a few other features that are here in BoostFloral that are related to orders is you have the ability to refund the order in BoostFloral. You can do full or partial refunds with the different refund reasons. Also have the ability to send review requests to the customer, um, soliciting Google reviews. So this can help increase the number of Google reviews you get from your customers. I guess, oh, and resending receipts. If receipts need to be resent, those can be done from right here as well. So a lot of capability available here in relation to orders.